Dear students, let us solve exercise 4.4, and the question number 1 is find the actual and estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest thousands. Here we have to first of all round off the numbers to the nearest thousand and then find the estimated difference, but before that we need to find the actual difference as well. So whatever the numbers are given, first of all we will simply subtract them to find the actual difference, and after that we will round off the digits given at the thousands place and then we will find the estimated difference. So let us find out the actual difference. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so we will borrow from 8. So 8 hundreds will become 7 hundreds and 1 tens will become 11 tens. So 11 minus 9 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the actual difference between 5819 and 3295 is 2524. Now we will round off the digit at the thousands place in both the cases, and then we will round off both these numbers by rounding off the digits at the thousands place, and then we will find the difference. So the digit at the thousands place is 5, so we will have to look at the number next to its right side, and this number is more than 5, so 5 will get increased by 1 and it will become 6, and next all the three numbers will be written as zeros. Now minus. Here we have to round off 3, so we need to look at the digit next to its right side and it is less than 5, so 3 will remain 3 and next all the three numbers will be 0. Now we have estimated both the numbers, we have rounded off both the numbers, and now we will find the estimated difference. So 0, 0, 0 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So the actual difference is 2524 and the estimated difference is 3000. Now let us move on to the next sum. Here we have to just subtract 16,190 and 2,979. So we need to just round off the digit at the thousands place. So here the number at the thousands place is 6. So and the number at the thousands place here is 2. So before rounding off we will find the actual difference. We cannot subtract 9 from 0, so we will borrow from here. This will become 8 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1. Again we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so we will borrow. 6 will become 5 and this 100 will become 1100. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 and here we have 1. Now we will round off the digits given at the thousands place. So here it is 6. So we have to look at the digit next to its right side, which is 1, and as per the rule it is less than 5. So 6 will remain 6 and next all the three numbers will become 0. But if there is any number before the digit which we are going to round off, it always remains same. This we have to keep in mind. Here we need to round off 2, so we have to look at the digit next to its right side, and in this case it is more than 5. So 2 will get increased by 1 and it will become 3, and next all the three numbers will be zeros. Now we will find the difference. Here we have 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 1. So here in this case the actual difference between 16,190 and 2,979 is 13,211 and the estimated difference is 13,000. So this is how we need to find the actual and the estimated difference. Now let us read question number 2. Find the actual and estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest 10,000s. Here we have to find the actual difference and then the estimated difference. So actual difference we can find by subtracting the numbers as they are given as it is. So for estimated difference we need to round off both the numbers and then we can find the estimated difference. So let us first of all find the actual difference. So 39,506 minus 22,918. So let's see what will be the answer. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we need to borrow from tens, but it is having 0, so first of all it will borrow from hundreds. So 5 hundreds will become 4 hundreds and 0 tens will become 10 tens. Now this 6 ones will borrow from tens, so it will become 9 tens and 6 will become 16 ones. So 16 minus 8 is 8 9 minus 1 is 8. Now again we cannot subtract 9 from 4, so we will borrow from thousands. So 9 thousands will become 8,000 and 400 will become 1400. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 8 minus 2 is 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 39,506 minus 22,918 is 16,588. Now we will round off both these numbers and then find the estimated difference. So we need to round off the digit at the 10,000s place. So in the first case, we have to round off 3 because it is at 10,000s place. So we need to look at the number next to its right side. As per the rule, it is more than 5. So 3 will get increased by 1 and it will become 4. So next all the 4 numbers will become 0. Minus. We have to round off 2. So we need to look at the digit next to its right side. And it is less than 5. So 2 will remain 2. And next all the 4 numbers will be written as 0. Now let us subtract them. As we have rounded off both the numbers, now we will subtract them. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the actual difference is 16,518 and the estimated difference is 20,000. Now let us move on to the next sum. Here first of all we will find the actual difference between 73,012 and 28,790. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Again we cannot subtract 9 from 11. So we will borrow from hundreds place, but it is having 0. So first of all it will have to borrow from thousands place. So 3,000s will become 2,000s and 0 hundreds will become 10 hundreds. Now this tens will borrow from hundreds. So 10 hundreds will become 9 hundreds and 1 tens will become 11 tens. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now again we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So we will borrow from 10,000s. So it will become 6 and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 8 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we have to find the estimated difference and we will round off both these numbers and then find the estimated difference. So here we will have to round off 7 because it is at 10,000s place. So we need to look at the digit next to its right side and it is 3, which is less than 5. So 7 will remain 7 and next all the 4 numbers will be 0. Now here we have to round off 2. So we need to look at the digit next to its right side and it is more than 5. So 2 will get increased by 1 and it will become 3. Next all the 4 numbers will be written as 0. Now that we have rounded off both the numbers, now we will subtract them and find the estimated difference. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the actual difference between 73,012 and 28,790 is 44,222 and the estimated difference is 40,000. So dear students, this is how you need to find the estimated difference. First of all, you need to round off the given numbers as per the requirement, that which place you have to round off, and after that you need to find the estimated difference. I hope you would have understood how to estimate and how to round off and find the estimated difference. Thank you. It's caught in the crossfire.